What if I told you that you could deploy a fully functional AI agent, one that remembers your conversations, schedules tasks for you, and connects to any tool for literally $0? Cloudflare just dropped an open source framework called Agents. It's trending on GitHub right now. Persistent, stateful AI agents that hibernate when nobody's using them. You only pay when they are awake, and the free tier covers most use cases. I'm going to build one from scratch and deploy it live in this video, 15 minutes. Let's do it. Here's a problem with most AI agent setups right now. You spin up a server, you pay for it 24/7, whether anyone's using it or not. You bolt on a dataset for memory. You set up WebSockets for real-time communication. You wire up scheduling. You handle authentication. It's a whole infrastructure project before your agent even says hello. Cloudflare agents flip that. Each agent is a durable object. Think of it as a tiny persistent computer that lives on Cloudflare's edge network. It has its own state, its own storage, its own life cycle. When nobody's talking to it, it hibernates. Cost drops to 0. When someone pings it, it wakes up instantly with all memory intact. One agent per user, one agent per session, one agent per task. You can run millions of them and only pay for active seconds. And it comes with scheduling, real-time WebSockets, MCP support, and AI chat built in, out of the box. Here's what you need. Node.js, version 1.8 or higher. If you don't have it, nodejs.org, 2 minutes installed. You need a free Cloudflare account. Go to cloudflare.com, sign up, no credit card needed for what you're doing today. And a terminal, that's it. Everything else comes with the framework. It scaffolds a full project with TypeScript. So let's get started. Let's create our agent. Open your terminal and run. Give it a name. I call mine first agent, a dev server, and the agent's SDK already wired up. Now cd into the folder and open it in your editor. You will see 2 key files, server.ts, that's where your agents live, and clients.tsx. That's the real format that talks to it. Let me show you the server file. Look at this. That's it. That's an agent. It has state, it has message handler, it persists automatically, and no database setup needed. No Redis, no nothing. Let's make it actually useful. We're going to build an agent that takes natural language and schedules reminders, so you can tell it, remind me to follow up with the client tomorrow at 9 a.m., and it actually does. Here's the updated server code. A few things to notice. First, we are using Cloudflare's built-in AI models. No OpenAI key needed. Llama 3.1 runs right in Cloudflare's edge. Free tier gives you 10,000 requests per day. Second, this schedule. One line. You pass it a time, a method name, and data. The agent wakes up at that exact time and runs the method. Cron job, recurring task, one-off reminders, all the same API. Third, this agent remembers everything. Close the browser, come back tomorrow. Your conversation and all scheduled tasks are still there. That's the durable object underneath. Persistent storage automatically. Let's test it locally. Open localhost. You got chat UI. Type remind me to send the proposal to Sarah at 3 p.m. The agent parses it, schedules it, confirms, and done. Now let's give your agent superpowers. If you watched my last video on MCP, Model Context Protocol, you know it's a universal plug for AI tools. Cloudflare agents have native MCP support. Your agent can act as MCP server or connect to MCP server as a client. Let's make your agent an MCP server so other tools like Claude Desktop, Cursor, anything that speaks MCP can use it. Add this to your agent class. Now, any MCP client can call get scheduled task or create task directly. Your agent just became a tool that other AI agents can use. This is where it gets powerful. Chain agents together. One agent manages your calendar, other handles email, another one tracks your CRM, and they all talk to each other through MCP. And here's the best part, deploying production in one command. That's it. Your agent is live on Cloudflare's global network, 300 plus cities. Sub-millisecond wake up, automatic HTTPS, automatic scaling. You get a URL back. something like first agent yourname.workers.dev. Open it, your scheduling agent is live. Share it with your team. Each person who connects gets their own agent instance with their own state. Let me say that again. Each user gets their own persistent agent automatically. No session management code, no user database. The framework handles it. And the cost? On the free tier, you get 100,000 requests per day and 1 gigabyte of durable object storage. For a personal agent or a small team, that's more than enough. You will likely pay nothing. Now, let me zoom out for a second. We just built a stateful AI agent with persistent memory, natural language scheduling, and MCP support. We deployed it globally, and we did it in about 50 lines of code. 6 months ago, this would have been a weekend project with Docker, a Postgres database, a Redis queue, and a deployment pipeline. And now it's a 15-minute work. This is the real shift happening in AI right now. It's not about better models, it's about better infrastructure for agents, persistent state, real-time communication, scheduling tool integration. These are building blocks that turn a chatbot into something that actually runs a piece of your business. And if you want to go further with this, if you want to turn an agent like this into an actual business or build it into a full product, we put together a complete blueprint that walks you through the whole thing. Link in the description. That's a fully deployed AI agent from zero for free. If this was helpful, subscribe. I'm dropping new tutorials every week. Next video, I'm going to show you how to chain multiple agents together so they coordinate autonomously. One watches your inbox, one manages tasks, one handles follow-ups, all talking to each other. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.